want it to stop going down unless it hits the bottom, which it shouldn't hit the bottom. It should have a fish before it gets there. Because when you close it, it looks unnatural when the bait stops. You know what I mean? The bait should, there it goes. There you go. Dude's about to flip over the side of the boat. You still got him? No, you missed him. That was weird. It's a big snapper. So I try to get him up fast because I don't want him to get eaten. Fat snapper right there. Jesus. Look at that thing. I'll just flip him in. Just don't be a grunt, that's all I'm saying. Or better not be a gag. Yeah, big mango. Look at the king. See, it was a king or a cobia just chasing. See him? Right there. Big one. Don't jig it. Just let it keep going until one grabs it. It's got to look natural. Look, I just dehooked him too. Oh, he's got a big snapper. Get him off the bottom. You got to get him up fast or Goliath's going to eat him. Watch a cobia chasing him. You have a long fight, fish are always following him. I hope that's a snapper, not a grouper. Big old mango. There you go. I think it's a tank. That's a fatty. Oh, I got one. These are some big snapper. Look how fast I got mine up. I just yanked mine in. You believe me now with these things? That's a baby. What is that? There you go. You probably got a mackerel. You just go airborne? The hell just jumped out of the water? Oh, well. Is that a king? Nobody even cares about my big old snapper. He eat your mackerel? You like that 8-foot rod?
Oh my gosh,
He's got a tank. He's got a big one. Alright, you're at the leader. Open the bill. Don't break my rod. You can use that pole. I'd rather see you guys catch them. I'm a video guy. That's a big one. Damn.
I wasn't using that choke bait.
Guys, see Cuda?
That's what ate Patrick's mackerel. How big it was.
Sure.
I'm gonna use it right to snap your stomach.
Alright, just get
All the way from Georgia to catch it.
Alright, open it. Real. There you go, get him up. Oh, Cuda just ate him. You just got the Cuda. Yeah, you. Unless that's a huge snapper.
Dude, get it. Oh.
That might have been a monster snapper. Another 16. I'll grab one of those baits for this. There you go. That's a 16. Making them look like monster. Oh, I mean, when you're doing it like that, you're not really gaining line when you hear the drag coming out. Looks like a big one. You're gonna break the rod going that high. That's a tank. Nah. We don't net snapper. Dude, that's the biggest of the day. You need a picture of that one. I think that one hit 19. You might be pushing 20. Jesus. You got a grouper. That's a grouper. You need a big pull for that. Get him up. Tighten that drag if you can. Dude, he's got a gag. He's getting him off the bottom too. Get him. Get the net. Get the net. Let him go if he has to. Hang on a little bit. You're winning. Somebody's got a grouper. He might have a keeper gag on that little pole.
Don't grab the bail. Don't grab the bail.
Do you guys see this? He's got a big gag. I can't believe he's winning.
Well, on the older one.
Look at the grouper following it.
Oh, dude, hey, I got it.
Damn. It's not even a keeper. No? He's a little undersized.
By the way, it's
Yeah. Hey guys, he might have something. He's got a cobia. He's got a cobia. Get the net. That's a freaking huge one. You're not going to catch that. Be careful with him. I want to get him on video. If you can see the fish, we're good. If you don't see the fish, we're kind of screwed.
John, why is this thing not working?
That's off.
Well, is there an on button?
Try to get him off the bottom if you can. Just get him 10 feet off the bottom so we feel good about it. Because I don't see a fish.
That's the flats fisherman's gap.
That's a 30. That's 30, 40 pounds.
On the trout run.
For sure. Hey, is that another one? That's another one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is. Yeah, it is. There's another one right here.
He's bigger than I thought he was. At least it's not on the bottom. That's all I Let me know if I can get from that little gap.
Just what? Oh, yeah, boy. That thing's over with.
Hey, anybody got?
Let's get it.
Stab him in the head with that knife. He's gonna. Oh my god.
Dang, boy.
That line.
That's why I said net was safe.
Much
Hey, nice
Hey,
call.
that's why I didn't yak it
Are we
when
keeping
John
it?
said yap, yap,
Are
yap.
you crazy? Duh.
Let's get a good video of.
Watch out.
A little tired?
Yeah, you were right.
Made it worth it though.
That's a beast. Isn't that the same rod you were just using?
No, it's a, this
It
is
looks
fierce.
like it's got red line.
Oh.
I use.
Catching some pig snapper now though.
Yeah, absolutely. I like to hear that sound.
Or snapper. Grouper. Snapper. That's a big snapper. Give me a little. Just make sure you get him off the bottom. He's not going to structure.
There's something down there. There's a thing down there.
You're gonna get eat. Oh, look at the cuda right here. He's gonna get eaten for sure, guys. You wanna watch this? This cuda's gonna eat whatever he's got. He might have a gag. I'll try to distract him. Get the net ready.
No more baits in the water.
Yeah. Something's floating around. Is that a snapper?
What is it?
It's a red snap. Is that a mangrove? Oh my god, it looks like a red.
Do what? Yeah, we couldn't. He swallowed the hook.
Yeah, I know, it sucks.
Yeah.
It was like 23 and a half inches.
23 and a half.
Is that really a mangrove?
Seriously, that's definitely the biggest.
I thought that was a red snapper.
Oh yeah, we'll get a picture of that one, guys.
I think that one went over 20 inches. Watch your fingers.
I think he might have been trying to hook it into this fucking gag.
That's a gag. There we go.
Oh yeah.
I got a. Yeah, this one's a 20 incher.
Here's some more.
Somebody's got a big snapper. Threadfin.
Yep. Cut.
With just 1/8 ounce weight. Look, that's a cobia. Put it back in. That's a 40-pound cobia. Put it back in the water.
Put it back in. Put it back
Wait, no, that's the wrong pole. Don't do it on that little pole. Give him my jig.
Hey, there's a big
Give him
one
my
right here.
jig.
Right here, right here. There's a big old, there's a grunt on that thing.
That's a 40-pound cobia.
Yeah, I was about to say, well, see,
I forgot what pole you had in your hand.
you see what had happened was,
Where'd he go? That's a big snapper.
It's just right the same way that.
Give him some room to flip the fish in. He's gonna swing it your way. That's a big snapper. Baby. Are you catching grunt now? I don't catch grunt. Just kidding. First, my first drop.
They call me the grunt guru.
That's not a good name.
So me and Wade, we're out of time.
We want like 4 or 5
Yeah,
more.
he is.
Well, that'd be this dude in this little pole.
Hey, now I've seen people catch cobia on him. I haven't seen people catch red snapper.
Yeah, it's funny how he went from the cobia to now a big red snapper on that little pole. It's gonna be a funny video, that's for sure.
How you doing, guys?
Jesus Christ. Stop him. Well, the snapper's fired up. Come on, let's get 5 people hooked up. Look at that. What the hell did I
I'm
hook?
on the way down.
I don't even have a snapper. That's like a damn grunt. It's like a little red grouper.
I thought you were gonna break that rod.
Hold the reel. Jesus.
Get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him off, get him off, get him off.
And of course, I got a tiny little fish. I got a tiny.
Oh yeah, boy.
I got a tiny gag. That's. He's got a little gag. It's a gag.
What was it?
Did it break?
Red or that head shake.
Oh, they didn't do that.
It looks like a gag now.
Yeah, that's all.
Little gag, yeah. Then I have to get a damn keeper. It's a red. That might be a keeper.
20 inch, 20?
A little short.
That's the number for the reel?
What's the inches?
20. 20.
No, it's red.
Red snapper? Better not be a grunt. Nice.
Good one.
Get him in the boat. I just lost him again.
Oh, there he is.
not even a big one.
Did you not see me just dive
Whose line is that? Are you wrapped around me?